Welcome to PostGrid tutorial, where we'll guide you through the essential features of our platform.
Now let's talk about your mail's contents. There are two main methods for providing printable content to PostGrid. The first one is to use a pre-designed PDF, and the second one is to use an HTML template using the template editor. In both of these cases, the address information will be automatically added to the final mailing, so you cannot have any content on the region the addresses will be added. We have more information about this on our design guidelines, and you can access them by clicking Guides on the top of the page. On our documentation, select Design Guidelines on the Print and Mail dashboard section. On this page, you can find specifications for what your files need to look like, depending on the country you'll be sending mailings to.
Thank you for joining us for this tutorial. I hope this helps you to make the most of our platform. And don't hesitate to send an email to support@postgrid.com if you have any more questions.